MacBook styles are all different.
Yeah.
Okay. When everyone has their letters ready to go, can we make sure you put the bags on the seat behind us or next to us so I can tell that we're ready to go? Okay, so I'm going to start with a couple of questions while Miss Nevaeh is getting all of her letters. What do we do when we have a name? What do we do to the first letter?
Capitalize.
You capitalize it. What do we do? What makes the sound ugh? Ugh. Can we think about it? Can we make that with our letters? What makes ugh? Ugh. It's only 2 letters. Ugh. Awesome. So we're going to be using ugh in some of our words. We are also going to be using us in some of the words. So can you guys form us real quick? Okay, so I'm going to have this on the board so you guys know. We're going to be using ugh, and we're going to be using us. Okay? You can write those down. And then also if you finish a word and I say good job, go ahead and try to use the word in a sentence. Get creative. It can be funny. It can be something just really wacky. It could be serious. It doesn't matter. Yes, Nevaeh.
I don't have another G.
You don't have another G?
There could be one in here.
Yeah, there should be. Okay, but for the first ones, we won't need the 2 G's. So Nevaeh, catch you up. We're going to be using ugh and us in some of our words, okay? But not all of them. So the first word, we're just going to get it over with, is us. So Nevaeh, can you make us? Ugh. It's just a sound. Two letters in it that makes a sound. Can we use us in a sentence real quick? Yes.
I want to us to.
Yep, that's really good job. Yeah, write it on the paper. This is just for you guys to jot down some ideas. Okay, so we already talked about that a name has what for the first letter? What do we do to the first letter? We capitalize it. Yes, Jenny. So make the name Gus. Gus. Want to use that in a sentence for me? It's a name. Yep, good job.
Gus Gus.
Gus Gus, off of
Gus Gus.
Cinderella. Do you guys
Yes,
know who Gus
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 Gus.
is? It's a little
The
mouse.
One of the mice that, yeah,
I'm actually in the middle
helped
of watching
Cinderella sew the dress and bring all the stuff in, the ribbons and everything. Gus Gus.
him and another one was bringing in beads from a necklace.
Yep, yep.
Gus.
And a sash. Didn't they bring a sash too?
Gus.
Yes.
Gus.
I'm actually watching a TV show that has a pug
Gus.
named Gus Gus.
Gus. What does it start with? Gus.
Say it in your head, Ashley.
Good job. No, it's a name. What do I do to it? Good job, Ashley. Okay, right. So we made Gus. Mr. Gus or Gus went to the park we could use. Okay, let's leg. Leg.
Think about the order of the sounds you're hearing as you say them.
What? You can use 2 or 3 in a sentence if you want. Be creative. Good job. Egg. Egg. Good job. use. I'm going to use a pencil.
What did you do, Ashley, that you knew that vowel changed now? Instead of us, it says use. What did that?
Good job, Jenny.
Very good.
Use.
What changed that to a long U, Dakota?
Use. That's us.
That's right.
We are on fire today, guys.
Not literally.
Not literally.
Thankfully, yes.
You know, I'm cold.
What did she just do, reading students? What did she just use? Yeah. What she said you guys are on fire. Are you on fire? No, you said not literally. What is it when you say use that term and it's close? Say it. Idiom. Very good.
I haven't used one in a sentence.
Well, I tell you what, you guys, you don't realize how many you actually say until somebody catches you saying them.
Now it's going to be another name. So what do we need to do to the first letter?
Not long.
It's going to be Sue. My mom's middle name is Sue.
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 Wait, isn't Sue
Good job.
City also nickname is Sue? The big Sue river?
For Sioux City, how you spell that? That's for like an Indian tribe.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Nevaeh. Good job, Ashley.
I know
Yeah,
it's
it's what is it? One, two
What
words
makes
have the
it
same
ooh sound?
word
Yep, good job.
on the name.
tribe
Romano?
named the
Okay.
Sioux.
Mhm.
Think of any sentences to use
Dakota.
Sue in.
I know Sioux Falls.
That is a different. That one is spelled
Just like Sioux City.
just like Sioux City. Yep.
Most of the other tribes do not like
Is
them
Sioux
very.
like you sue someone?
Yes, but that would be a lowercase because it's not a name.
Actually, I did have a teacher in that was our PE teacher named Mr. Suing.
Yeah. Good job. Way to make those connections. Okay, so now we've done leg. Now let's do lug. Lug nut, or we're gonna lug this bag up the stairs.
It was
Lug.
probably pretty heavy.
Lug. Lug.
There
Good
was
job.
something I read about.
Good job, Nevaeh. Good job, Ashley. Good job, Ron.
About what?
A lug. Yep, good job.
I read something.
A lug nut is
Someone
something that
called
you would
someone
put
a lug
on
nut.
like a tire.
Oh, that's
Or in a
lug.
lug if
Yeah,
like
but yeah,
I had to carry my
Yes.
backpack all the way upstairs. I had to lug it.
maybe they said lug head.
It's really
Lug
heavy, so I
head
have to
is
like
kind of their trend.
really put my weight into taking carrying
like
it.
you don't
It's
know
like
what
I'm gonna
you're
carry
talking
something that's like really heavy, so I'm gonna have to
Like
like fight
kinda
carrying it the entire time.
Spring or like a bag kind of.
Yeah, if I was gonna have to carry a bed all the way upstairs, I would be really lugging it and really fighting it, trying to get it all the way up there.
Well, we know Santa also lugs quite a heavy load each year.
I know. Those places are so don't go.
That's right. Fall out of the sky.
That would suck.
Now that we've made lug, we're just gonna change one letter and we're gonna make rug. Does everyone know what a rug is? Do you know what a rug is, Jenny? It's like a carpet, a little just piece of carpet
Like
that
this.
you can move around. It's kind of like this. This is carpet because it's on the. You can't
Right,
move it,
like-
but like it's basically if I just cut a piece out and I could just move it places, it would be a rug. A rug.
It's
Rug.
kind of. It's kind of.
Rug. Good job. Let's do glue. Glue. I know in kindergarten you guys used a lot of glue, right, for arts and crafts. glue.
I know my brother would go over.
That's glue.
4 letters.
It is 4 letters. Glue. Good job. 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 Can you sound it out in your head, Ashley? Glue.
What do you hear first, Ashley?
Good.
Glue. Good. It says ghoul. Glue.
It makes a little sound.
There you go.
Awesome. Okay. Glue.
I don't like schools.
Okay, we've made glue. Let's make rule. Rule.
Like follow the rules.
Have to follow the rules. Rule. Where is the job? Rule. That's
Glue. Good.
Rule. Okay. What should I do with that? What makes the sound? The goes before the l. Okay, Nevaeh, it's rule. Good job, Nevaeh.
Remember, when you do these words, guys, say it, sound it out to yourself. As you say the sounds as you're doing it, and that will help you know the order that it needs to be in.
Okay, we've made lug. Let's make slug. Do you guys know what a slug is?
I use a pet slug.
Pet slugs? They're really slimy, aren't they, Nevaeh? Eh.
My brother killed it.
Is it 4 letters?
It is 4 letters. Good job.
Horrible.
Okay.
He put salt on it.
Unless you named your slug, what should I do with the S? Good job. Good job, Ashley.
Set it off.
You can tell it, so the green light says that it's still on.
Okay.
But thank you. Okay, good job.
I know in like older movies and stuff, they will say I'm gonna slug you.
Yep, that would be like punch, but do we do that? Probably not. Okay, last word. Jug. Jug. It's not. Give you a hint. It's not. You only have 1 G in there. Jug. Good job, Dakota.
Oh wait.
Good job, Ronald.
I know.
3 letters.
There we go.
I know.
Jug. Do you know what a jug is, Ginny? You could count like a milk carton, like a milk in the plastic containers. That'd be a jug. Jug. Good job. Good job. Good job. That was the j sound. Good job, everyone. Okay, can we make juggle now? Juggle. Juggle. You need to flip somewhere. Juggle. Okay, so we have jug, right? So then how do we do gull? Juggle. Jug, it is. You do need 2 G's.
2 G's.
Yep. And then
Remember,
what
we've
makes that
talked about this, guys.
What makes that
The
ug sound?
Pole and the goal.
Juggle.
What is it?
Yeah, no, you had it right.
That is the Yeah.
What makes that gull sound? Anyone know? Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a hint. I need this at the end. Juggle. Sorry guys, fun fact of the day, I'm not a good speller. I'm a math major.
But like people, guys,
But people, yeah.
the pole at the end of the word is PLE. Goal at the end of the word GLE. We've talked about this before.
Oh, do you? Okay, but we have one more before we do the last word.
Oh, no.
Sure. Can I do sure? You guys don't. Sure. Sure.
Remember it and do it when she asks you to do that last word.
Yep. There's not an H. Sure. It has Sue in it. Sue is a part of the word, but you put some word letter in between. Sure. Good job, Nevaeh. Good job.
Remember the sound. What
Good
makes
job.
the sound? ER does. What else does? No, that says R. What else says IR and UR.
Can we guys figure out the last word? Use that. Can you figure out the last word? Go ahead and close it, Nevaeh. Do you guys know what it is to juggle? You do?
It's just like
You throw.
Usually three.
Yeah, three.
3 items makes you a
You
juggle.
have to have at least more. Like if I was juggling balls, I would have to have at least more balls than I do have hands. I actually had to teach myself to juggle for one of my classes.
Ooh.
I used to be able to juggle, but I don't think I can anymore.
It's all a matter of
Placement.
yeah,
Timing.
how you're
Yeah.
tossing it.
Okay, so the last word was jugglers. So like I would have 2 people juggling.
I even for the writing out, I already have written out what I'm gonna have my characters.
Yeah. So I'm going to show you guys a picture of what I drew with some of the words. I only want you guys to use 5 words. You don't have to use all of them. But I want you guys to either write a short story or draw me a picture, but you have to use sentences if you want to label something or if you want people to be speaking. So I drew a picture of a boy and a girl, and the guy saying, "Hi, my name is Gus. It rhymes with bus." And the girl says, "Hi, Gus. Your name also rhymes with us." Then we have some slugs in a jug, and it says, "My name is Sue the Slug, and I'm in a jug."
Writing is so real.
Then it says, "The number 1 rule of being a slug is don't be a snail." You have a snail over here, and it says, "Sure, make fun of snails."
I feel so bad for that.
Okay, so if you guys need to look at this to see if you want to get any inspiration from, but on the back of that piece of paper, flip it over, and And can you guys write me a story? Yes?
I already have.
And all the words are up on the board, so all of them should be spelled correctly.
Yeah, that's fine. If you need to add an S, that's fine. Or maybe use past tense and use ED. You can. But I want you guys to use at least 5 words. I'll write that on the board. At least 5 words. You don't have to. You can just write a short little paragraph using those words, or but you have to use 5 words. It has to make sense. You can't be like, slugs are cool. Hi, I'm in love with it. Okay? Ooh, good job. You guys have about 5 more minutes till the bell rings, okay? Jenny, do you need help? What were some words that you liked that you could use? If you want to talk to somebody or sit next to somebody and bounce some ideas off of them, you can. Or if you're really excited about your drawing, you could have like a snail and a slug talking to each other, and the words can soothe us. How many words have you used so far? You've Gus. You used us. You used slug. You used drug. So you need how many more? 1 more. You guys are taking a lot of time with drawing. Let's remember. I want you. We need at least 5 words in a sentence or in a little story. What was your last one? He was sure. You were sure. Yep. Good job. What sentences did you want to put? Let me put these here. If you guys run out of time for your pictures, star the sentences in the front of your page and maybe some of the ones that you were going to use. Just like put a star and be like, I wanted to use this one in my picture. Yeah, so you could pick one of these and be like, And Dakota, go ahead and